this video, we'll cover the basics about how to configure an approval process in Content Central. Just like the workplace, certain documents need to be sent to different people or departments, sometimes in other locations, so that they can review the document, approve it, or maybe even provide important information about how the document should be handled or processed. In Content Central, you can configure one or more approval processes that send a document to different users or groups so you can avoid the interoffice mail and the paper shuffle. An approval process is just a fixed path that a document takes from one user or group to another user or group to get approval. Approval processes for a document type are easy to set up. For the document type that you want to have approved, just click on Approval Processes and click Add Process. After giving the process a name, in the Members area, you can add a user or a group to the list. And you can reorder them. When you add a group, you can specify whether all the members or only one specific member should get the document. When you add a group, you can also specify whether the document needs approval from one user, a majority of users, a specific number of users, or every user in the entire group. You can also enable deadlines so that users know how long they have before others get notified about the delay. You can even configure Content Central to automatically start this approval process as soon as a document of this type arrives in the system. For instance, if an expense report needs to be approved by the accounting group, you can create an approval process for expense reports. Just add the accounting group as one of the members and configure Content Central to automatically start this approval process on all captured content of this document type. You can also add an approval process to an approval process group for easier management and easier workflow creation. In this video, we covered the basics about how to configure an approval process in Content Central.